What's up, YouTube world? Welcome to another edition of Sorry We're Stoned. What's happening, everyone? Just doing a quick little video here on the Firewall. As you can see, I've got some severe rust going on here. So some of this will have to be replaced. And I'm just going to finish getting rid of all this paint on the firewall. I'm not going up on this top piece here. That's all staying the same because it's good. There's nothing wrong with it. But as you can see down here in this corner, I've got the same kind of rust going on. And I've got a dent in there. I'm going to bring it in a little closer so you can see it. Now, I don't know if you can see that or not, but I got a dent going on right here. And all this is rusted away. So I have to cut that out and figure out exactly how to get that replaced back in there. But this here is very much the same as the other side, so I have to take care of that as well. But before I get into the cowl on this side, I'm just cleaning up the firewall so I can get that situated, because from here down to here is pretty much good all the way across. So if I can use this stuff and maintain the shape, then when I put the floor in, it should line up pretty good. So I feel pretty confident, even though this is my first time doing it. As you can see, I've already started sanding because I was working on the cowl over there, and I'm just going to keep sanding until I get what I need done, finished. So sit back and relax and probably end up on time lapse. Here we go. In the climb and conquer sublime the dark energy sea. Time travel to another galaxy is possible. Just close your eyes and think of times when the world seems less liable. Straight to heaven.
so unsuitful in the current hateful fate of society at hand. Grateful stars are ripped apart as the black hole wrecks the universe. We take our place at the hand of creation. The architect goes through.
Okay, so I have to stop grinding right now because this truck has had paint jobs before over top of the original paint, and you can see it all over the place, like up in here. You can see it different colors. So I just found something really cool. And I gotta post this or save this. Sorry, I'm just trying to get my mask off so you can hear me. There, I hope that's a little better. Now, I'm just gonna set you down for a second. I don't want you to see what I found just yet. All right, sorry about that. So I was grinding away, cleaning up all the metal along here, right? And I was coming down here and I started glazing over, because instead of just burning in and warping the metal and whatnot, just taking my time and going over it. And look what came out. 142, and it's got a little scribble line underneath. So that there is that's the number. That's the number off the line, I'm guessing. I don't know, you tell me. Right? But, so that is not going anywhere now. All right, everyone. As you can see, I found this number on the firewall here a little late. to say the least. Now, I've stripped this truck down from the bare frame down to the bare frame, removed the floor on this thing, took the doors off the windshield, stripped the firewall, and I didn't see this number. So, just a word of warning, keep an eye out for things like this when you're doing your work on your vehicles. Because if you can save something like this, it's a piece of the history of the automobile. So that's my viewpoint. I think we should save things like this, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to protect this. So now that I'm done grinding all the shit off the firewall, I'm going to start working on the inner fender wells, stripping them clean, and getting those prepped and ready to go, so I can do metal work on them. My whole plan here is to get everything I'm doing body work on down to bare metal. That way it's prepped, ready to go, so when I get sheet metal in, I can just take my templates, lay them out, and go for it. So with that being said, I want to thank you all for coming along for the journey with me, and don't forget to like and subscribe and share the video. You all take care now. Alright everyone, well I think I'm going to leave it there for right now for this episode of Sorry We're Stoned, and we'll pick you up next time. Thanks a lot. Don't forget to like and subscribe.